This is how it's going down. Hurry, time is running out, hurry. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Rashawn here. Welcome to Faith and Familia channel. Real quick, my boys are gonna show you and your family what it looks like to clean up your house when it's crazy. We all know in parenting, it's not easy. It's not easy when your wife is 9 months pregnant for her to bend down and get a lot of toys, or for me with a bad back to be running around picking up all types of toys. I wanna tell you a secret hack, something that's so amazing. Immediately when we turn on this song every single day, here's the trick. Turn on this song right here. Clean Up Song by Gracie's Corner. There's a ton of them on there. But hey boys, y'all ready to clean up? Yeah! This is how it's going down. Let's go.
Hey, do you know what time it is? It's time to clean up.
Uh-oh, clean up. You got 3 minutes. Hey, y'all got until the song is over. Hurry up. Take it outside. Let's go. Clear things away. Oh, no, that ain't right. Let's go. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Let's go. It's time to clean up. It's time to clean up. Clean up. Go, Samuel.
It's time to clean up. It's time to clean up. Everybody let's clean up, clean up, and put our things away. Everybody let's clean up, clean up. Everybody let's clean up.
Clean up. Hurry, time is running out. Hurry. Up, clean up, clean up, up. Clean up, up. It's time to clean up. It's not time to play, Samuel. It's time to clean up. Go, Aiden. Come on. Y'all got like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Hurry. Hurry. No, clean up down there. Uh-oh, the time has run out. Now Daddy's gonna come downstairs and see if it's actually clean. Good job, boys.
It's in the dish. Right away with the spoon.
Wow, you're sweating now, Aiden. Good job, buddy. Good job. Woo. Good job. Awesome. All right, guys. So they just earned some allowance right here. They earned some money today. Here goes. Whose jar is this? Aiden's or Eli's? See, they're making some money every single week that they do their chores. Good job, buddies. And now they're all watching, getting a break. Whew. All right, guys. Well, with that being said, there goes a quick hack on how you can get your house really clean really quickly. Come check it out. We have trained our kids. Oh, look, they messed up right here. See, they left these two. Oh, there you go, Eli. There you go. So if you want your kids to really have fun while being disciplined every single day to clean up the house, make it fun for them. Turn on something fun, cleanup song, where they can get used to the cleanup song every day after dinner. In our walk, we come back in and we do the cleanup song before our showers and before bedtime, which bedtime is at 8:30, y'all. So bedtime's coming up. We'll do shower next, but structure is so important for the children. Never forget the power of structure, but around that structure, don't let it all be duty. Let it be fun. And fun plus discipline equals longevity. All right, y'all. Love you guys. God bless.